Jamaica. So, boy, I don't know. It's like I'm just ready to talk about every freaking thing in our country annoy me. You know that I just saw the news that St. Andrew man from Red Hills got life imprisonment for a gun and ammunition that was found in his ceiling. Gun and ammunition found in his ceiling. We know say gun apparently illegal and shouldn't have been. Right now, Jamaica should have been a place where every law-abiding citizen have access to getting a licensed firearm so that we can protect ourselves from criminals and from police. From criminals and from police and from the government. I'm going to tell you why I said from police. Now, how is it that Silvera, the PMP ex-MP man, how is it Silvera choose a manslaughter plea when there was a murder weapon? A person was murdered, dead in a house, paint over the place, retile the place. And the judge, Justice Sykes, Chief Justice Sykes, agreed to the plea. The DPP, the prosecution, the prosecutors agreed that yes, we will accept your plea. Not tell me shit. But it was a good deal and a good plea when there's a body, there's a murder weapon attached to the drunk. But a man with a little firearm and ammunition named ceiling. Huh? That's what the news say. They find him with gun. They didn't find him with a body. And you gave him life imprisonment. Life imprisonment. And Silvera should walk away with manslaughter. And the country is quiet. Where is Andrew Michael Holness? Where is Andrew Michael Holness? So you get life imprisonment for a weapon. Yeah? But a person who actually used the weapon and take the life of another human being. A high-ranking person in Jamaica, high class, actually tell the court, say him want a manslaughter charge, which is a far less charge. The most he might spend in there are 3 years, because him already do 2 years. The most he might spend in that maybe 2-3 years, because them are going to say time already spent, because I'm already spent 2 years in a jail. Yo, Jamaica, every video that I do going forward, I want you to understand when we go out there to protest, what we are protesting for. The date that I am looking for the protest is going to be the last Monday here in February. And I'm thinking about either across on the U.S. Embassy, or we're going to do the at the National Hero Circle. And you hear what I'm telling you, say? If I don't have 100,000 people agreeing to that march, that protest, me not go there. So the 1 p.m. people them now come out there. So if it ever come down to a PMP thing, and independent people or well-thinking Jamaicans, meaning the laborites them who realize true, this country is frig up, and at a time now for us to not just go out there, you know. I don't want we just go out there, you know. We're not leaving out there. We not just leave out there until people get fired, laws are reversed. People who are get them little cheap sentence here, get a real sentence. How you think me feel now? How you feel? How you feel? For no say, before me even talk about the police, I want to use this opportunity to say, good morning, enough respect. Enough respect to the good police them in Jamaica. Enough respect Big up on yourself to the good police them in Jamaica. Now that we get that out the way. You see the other little dog shit them, we're in the force. You think so we never know a long time, so Uno are one of the main reasons for the kind of crime in Jamaica. How Uno feel, JCF, and to the people who always a different police, how Uno feel now, for years a 2 constable is involved in the 2 murders in St. Mary. Uno murder the businessman, and Uno go murder the DJ youth. Uno just go knock on them door, for rob them, and them not no money, and Uno just kill them. Just like that. Just like that. Police. How Uno feel for know say police are pen, a thief people goat, have how much device in him car, for rob people car. He all this Jackie. All this Jackie. A man have in a car. When the police them tap him. When I spoke to the investigating officer, when the investigator ever called me and I tell me what go on, and you know what go on, high-ranking police in a Kingston want to buy out the case. They have to move almost 50 odd people from CTAC. Now disperse them all over the place, reassign them because people are found with drugs. Them lock up inspector and 2 soldiers because they're found with cocaine. The police again roll up Uber driver at Kingston and take with them car at gunpoint. Police again roll up another man with car and take with man car right as in Jamaica. And when time we come out and talk, we make it look like say, we don't like police. We like good police. We don't have a problem with the good police them. For the police them who catch the dirty police them. Big up on yourself. Those police must get instant promotion. I'm going to advocate for that. And them the police that we want in Jamaica. The police them will lock up a 2 constable. When decide to search a car. When decide to put pressure. And realize that them are a criminal. Big up to them, the police there. We need to know their name. As a matter of fact, them to become national friggin' hero. Because the situation with the dirty thinking police in the country, and the dirty thinking government in the country, and the dirty thinking judicial system, judge and lawyers in this country, we have to come out. Where is the private sector organization? Which part of their drunk? Private sector dirty organization. And who send money and put up money under Andrew Oldest them. And who put money under them. And now we are left with the corruption in the country. How the hell can you want to give a man with a gun life imprisonment, but a thinking politician man say him decide which plea and which sentence him going to get? And choose manslaughter. And one of them say the country is fair and it's even. We don't know come out and talk about the, how much money we're missing from the people and bank account up at Jamaica National. Dirty dog shit, I mean, we don't have strength for. With Gloria money, I mean, we don't have strength for. We don't think like shit. Yeah, turn up. I told you not even know. I say the heart to a beat here, so here. I say to all the well-thinking Jamaicans, they want to know me. Want to know me already. Anytime we don't see pandemic level here, we don't just know where I come. We don't know where I come. And the last Monday in this month, everybody put on a friggin' date. See me give you a date. Last Monday in February, the location will be announced. The location will be announced. Last Monday in February. Me I go see if I'm me 1, I got turn up out there. Or a 10 away, I got turn up out there. The nurses that are frustrated, you need to do that. Because I am also advocating for on the behalf. Teachers who are underpaid. Uno too. Government workers who are sick and tired. NHT contributors who are being disrespected. Now get to the money. Can't get the money. Uno for did that too. You're sick and tired of patrol. You for did that too. Frustrated Jamaicans. Make sure no did it. The last Monday in February, we are go on the road right across Jamaica. Stand tired I drunk of them. Last Monday, we share the damn video and make people know.